Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and serve the perfect spaghetti squash with tender shrimp and pomodorini in a light pesto sauce. But, before we start, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by baking, or microwave the spaghetti squash. If your squash is too hard to cut in half, poke few holes with a paring knife or a fork. And pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes to slightly soften it before slicing it in half. Once done, with a kitchen knife carefully cut the squash in half, and with a spoon, scoop out the seeds. Place the squash halves cut side up on a lined baking sheet, and season the insides with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Once done, place it cut side down and poke a few holes in the skin of the squash with a fork or a knife. Then, bake for 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius, or microwave it for 9 to 10 minutes until the shell is soft to the touch. While the spaghetti squash is baking, start preparing the shrimp sauce. Finely chop the parsley, the onion, and the garlic. If your shrimp are fresh caught, remove the head, and then peel, devein, and rinse it under cold running water. Tails on or tails off. You can leave the tails on for a nice presentation, or remove them for an easier to eat meal, especially with sauces. In a large frying pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Add the shrimp, and cook tossing occasionally, until just pink, about 1 to 1 1/2 minutes per side. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, using a set of kitchen tongs, remove and transfer shrimp to a plate and set aside. In the same pan, or a clean pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and the chopped onions and sauté it on low-medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the garlic, and continue to cook for 1 minute longer until onions and garlic are slightly brown in color. Add the pomodorini, cherry tomatoes, and sauté for a minute or two. Season with salt, pepper, fresh chopped basil, add the wine, optional, or vegetable stock, and let simmer for a few minutes until reduced by half. Add a quarter cup of water or vegetable stock, and 1/2 tablespoon of butter, and continue to simmer for 2 minutes longer. Add the pesto sauce and continue to simmer for a few minutes longer. If the sauce is ready, and your spaghetti squash is not quite done, turn the heat off and set the pan aside. After 40 to 45 minutes, the spaghetti squash should be ready, removed from the oven and set on a flat surface. With the help of 2 forks, shred and fluff the strands from the sides of the squash. You can use the shell as a serving bowl to serve your spaghetti squash, or the traditional way on a dinner plate. Fire up the sauce back on. Add the shrimp, and let simmer for a minute, and, if the sauce got a bit thick, loosen it up with a tablespoon of water or stock. Add the shrimp sauce over the spaghetti squash, and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped basil, and serve. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.